I think I hear the sound for the call for proposals for the KOTESOL International Conference held between October 13th and October 14th in Seoul. If you're interested in presenting, you have a few different choices. You can do a research presentation. That will last about 20 minutes. You can do a 101 workshop to show and help new teachers with new skills. You can also host a regular style workshop for more experienced teachers. You can do a panel presentation, so you can be one of a few teachers talking to an audience and answering many questions. Maybe you want to be doing asking the questions yourself. Maybe you want to do a dialogue presentation. That would be no problem. You could also even create a poster and people would visit you and ask you many questions and comment on your work on your poster. Whatever your idea, whatever you want to do, please submit your proposal now. The deadline is May 31st. The clock is ticking.